Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code, DTC P0831, indicates a problem with the clutch pedal position switch A in the Honda Accord models from 2017 to 2023. This error arises when there is a high voltage detected within the switch circuit. A properly functioning clutch pedal position switch is crucial for detecting the position of the clutch pedal in relation to the vehicle's transmission operations. When the switch operates correctly, it sends accurate signals to the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, to enhance performance and prevent stalling. A malfunction could impede transmission performance and may lead to issues in gear shifting. It is vital to address this immediately to maintain vehicle safety and drivability. The clutch pedal position switch A is an essential component that is located near the clutch pedal. Its primary role is to inform the PCM of the current position of the clutch pedal. This information allows the vehicle to manage gear changes smoothly, ensuring optimal performance in terms of both power and efficiency. If the switch fails, incorrect signals may be sent to the PCM, which could lead to improper gear engagement or difficulty in shifting. Understanding the functionality of this switch is crucial, as it is directly related to the vehicle's overall drivability. The switch's wiring and connection integrity must also be maintained to ensure it operates effectively. Several potential causes can lead to the DTC P0831. One common issue is wiring problems, such as frayed or shorted wires, which can disrupt the electrical signals sent to the PCM. Additionally, a damaged clutch pedal position switch can lead to incorrect readings, triggering the DTC. Loose connections can also be problematic, interrupting the circuit and causing high voltage readings. It's important to thoroughly inspect each of these potential causes during troubleshooting. Making these determinations ensures that the right repairs are made, ultimately restoring the functionality of the clutch system. Identifying the root cause is paramount to effective repairs. Symptoms associated with DTC P0831 can significantly affect vehicle performance. One common symptom is erratic shifting behavior, where the vehicle may struggle to change gears smoothly. This can be both annoying and dangerous if the driver needs to change speeds quickly. The check engine light may also illuminate on the dashboard, alerting the driver to a malfunction within the system. Additionally, drivers may experience difficulty engaging gears, particularly when attempting to shift from neutral to drive or reverse. Recognizing these symptoms early can prevent further complications and improve safety while driving. Effective diagnosis and timely repairs lead to greater vehicle reliability. In the first troubleshooting step, the goal is to verify the problem for DTC P0831. Start by turning the vehicle to on mode and using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to clear the DTC. Once cleared, the next task is to check the clutch pedal position switch A parameters with HDS. Specifically, you will evaluate if the current conditions match the designated thresholds. If the values are compliant and indicate normal function, the failure might have been intermittent. However, if the values do not match, it suggests a persistent issue, warranting further diagnosis. Having an accurate snapshot of the current status is essential for effective troubleshooting. Step 2 involves checking the installation of the clutch pedal position switch A after turning the vehicle to off mode. Begin by inspecting the switch and its installation for any signs of damage or looseness. A damaged switch can lead to a continuous high voltage condition which activates the DTC. If it is found to be compromised, repair or replace the switch to restore proper function. If the installation appears secure and the switch is intact, proceed to the next step of troubleshooting. Proper connection and installation are crucial to ensure the switch functions as intended. So this is a vital step in the diagnosis process. In this step, you will further diagnose by disconnecting the clutch pedal position switch A 4P connector and turning the vehicle to on mode. Once the vehicle is powered, check the parameters once more using the HDS. This will help you determine if the clutch pedal position switch A is functioning properly with regards to its open condition. If the parameters indicate that the current conditions match the threshold, this confirms that the switch is at fault and needs to be replaced. If they do not match, it implies that the problem could reside elsewhere in the system. This methodical approach aids in isolating the malfunction. The fourth troubleshooting step involves checking for shorted wires related to the clutch SW saline. Begin by turning the vehicle to the off mode. Use the HDS to jump the SCS SRS control unit line, allowing you to bypass the control system for testing. After waiting for more than 1 minute, disconnect the PCM connector A 50P. At this point, you will check for continuity between the specified test points, ensuring that the clutch pedal position switch A is properly isolated from the system. If continuity is present, it indicates a short in the wire connecting the PCM A21 and the switch, necessitating repair. If no continuity is found, this suggests that the wire is intact and points towards other possible issues. After completing the necessary repairs related to DTC P0831, it is vital to perform a final repair verification. Start by using the HDS to clear the DTC again. Once cleared, conduct a test drive to evaluate the vehicle's performance post-repair. Pay close attention to the switching behavior of the clutch and ensure that it engages and disengages without issues. It's essential to also monitor the check engine light to see if it remains off during operations. Confirming the success of the repairs through practical tests ensures that the underlying issue has been effectively resolved, enhancing the reliability of the vehicle. To prevent future occurrences of DTC P0831, implementing a routine preventive maintenance schedule is crucial. Regular inspections of the clutch system, especially around the clutch pedal position switch A, help identify potential problems before they escalate. Periodically checking electrical connections can catch loose or corroded wires that lead to malfunctions. It is equally important to use high-quality components during repairs and replacements, as subpar parts can lead to premature failures. Staying proactive with maintenance not only ensures optimal performance, but also enhances safety. A well-maintained vehicle is less likely to experience unexpected issues, contributing to a smoother driving experience. In conclusion, DTC P0831 is an important diagnostic code that impacts the shifting behavior of the Honda Accord models from 2017 to 2023. Understanding the root causes and performing thorough troubleshooting steps are essential to rectify issues effectively. Verifying problem conditions, checking the switch installation, and ensuring the integrity of wiring are all critical actions to rectify this fault. Engaging in preventive maintenance can significantly reduce the likelihood of encountering this problem in the future, fostering longevity and performance of vehicle systems. By systematically following the outlined procedures, technicians can help ensure that the clutch system operates reliably, ultimately keeping drivers safe on the road. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.